Hi, Namaste. Welcome to That Awkward Yogi. This is day 7 and I am not in mood to move. No yoga today. Today will be just quiet sitting with my breath. Some days are slow and I am letting that be okay. So I ended up doing 5 4 3 2 1 grounded meditation to become more aware of my senses. So if you haven't heard about it earlier, it's a meditation that helps to calm down your anxiety and overthinking and helps you to become more present. During this meditation, I watched and named 5 things. Feel 4 things. Hear 3 things. Smell 2 things and taste 1 thing. So you can try that at home. It's really quick. It takes around 5 minutes max. But it really helps you to calm down your nerves and become a little more present in your day-to-day life. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on day 8. Namaste.